Mallikarjun Kharge faces a 100 crore defamation case for likening the Bajrang Dal with banned terror outfits like the Simi, the PFI and the Al-Qaeda. Big update coming in from the Sangrur District Court summons the Congress National President Mallikarjun Kharge in a defamation case. The petitioner Hitesh Bharadwaj has given this information in court during the Karnataka Assembly elections. The Congress in its manifesto had compared Bajrang Dal with anti-national organizations like the PFI, Simi and Al-Qaeda. Congress now, in fact, had talked about, as we saw in the run-up to the elections, the Congress had talked about banning the Bajrang Dal if at all it comes to power in the state here. In protest against that, Hitesh Bharadwaj, who is the founder of the Hindu Security Council and the Bajrang Dal Hind, has now filed a defamation case of 100 crore rupees against Mallikarjun Kharge in a Sangrur court. In fact, the Sangrur court, the division judge, senior division judge of the Sangrur, Ramandeep Kaur, has also sent summons to Mallikarjun Kharge. And we hear that today, with that regard, a press conference will also be held in Sangrur on, in fact, leading that would be Hitesh Bharadwaj, the petitioner himself in this matter. I'm going to cut across to Kamaljeet joining us on the phone line for a little more on this case. Kamaljeet, 100 crore defamation case against Mallikarjun Kharge. How much will this hold water in court? We do know that the Congress in its manifesto had mentioned that they're going to ban hate-mongering outfits like the PFI and the Bajrang Dal. In the same breath, likening a banned outfit under the UAPA, the PFI, with the Bajrang Dal, which isn't banned and known as a right-wing Hindutva group. Some might call it a fringe element, but ultimately it does not have cases of terror on them.
Well, the Sangrur District Court has issued summons to Mallikarjun Kharge, the President of Indian National Congress. It's for 100 crore defamation. And this is where he's been summoned on 10th of July. That's what the court order really states. But remember, as far as Congress party is concerned, who've taken this entire Bajrang Dal, Bajrang Bali versus the others. And this is where been a high-pitched campaign, especially in Karnataka. But the repercussions of it all happening in Punjab with obviously a Sangrur-based Hitesh Bharadwaj. He's also the founder of Hindu Suraksha Parishad, the Bajrang Dal Hind, who filed a defamation case and taken the matter to the court. There is obviously a setback because the summons have been issued on the 10th of July. But remember, as far as Congress party is concerned, they have been represented by many lawyers from within the party, so they will take it head on. But whether, the page number 10, where in the manifesto itself they talked about comparing Bajrang Dal with other anti-national organizations and whether they would actually ban it is another question at all. But they will have to answer before the court, and obviously this could be a shot in the arm, at least for the fringe groups as such, including Bajrang Dal. But meanwhile, it does seem that the Congress will have to do a bit of explaining in the court as well.
All right, Kamaljeet, of course, now it puts the Congress in a point of bother. From what we see here, this could very well become an issue that will pan out nationally. In fact, this is a defamation case on Mallikarjun Kharge, a 100 crore defamation case. After the Congress has won and come to power here in Karnataka, it appears the case is now being pursued on accusing the Bajrang Dal, the right-wing Hindu outfit, which is an offshoot of the RSS itself, calling it almost in fact, almost tainting it as a terror outfit, a terror organization, because that's what the Congress has mentioned in their manifesto. Not mentioning it as a terror group, but saying a hate-mongering group. Any hate-mongering, groups like the PFI and the Bajrang Dal will be banned. Now, this has been taken very seriously by the right-wing groups. A defamation on Mallikarjun Kharge, a notice that also has been sent out to him, and begs us to now believe that this could also become a national issue running up to 2024.